What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the Black Dragon Pearl, the newest one of the next three coming from Swag Bowling. These will release September 8th. What's today? The 29th. What is that? A little over a week away from the release with the next three, which is the Fusion Hybrid and the Judge Pearl. But anyway, let's talk about the Black Dragon. This is of the superior performance line from Swag. It's got the Dragon asymmetrical core, the Scorched Pearl reactive. It is a 1500 grit with a polish, and this ball comes 12 to 16 pounds. This is a big asymmetrical pearl. For a 15 pound, we're talking 248, 054 differential with an 018 mass bias. I've always said that these ASIMs and me don't really match well, so this one, I went ahead and kicked the mass bias out a little bit. I generally drill my thumb in the mass bias, essentially turning it into a symmetrical bowling ball. I wanted to experiment with this one because I'm having high hopes for it, and I'm glad I did. Went with a 55 by 4 by 35, I think. I'm sure I'll correct it in the editing if I'm wrong, but I was wrong. It's 55 by 4 by 30. So yeah, let's throw some shots. So these first couple shots here are just going to be a couple warm-ups because I didn't stretch, I didn't do nothing, I didn't throw the ball to see what the lane's doing. So let's just get loosened up and see if I can't tear something. So I'm just going to start off at, screw it, I'm standing 35, just chuck it down the middle and see what happens. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I probably should have stretched a little bit. Let's see if we can get some good strikes in here. I'm already seeing some dry on the back. It's probably just burned, like always. So I like doing that. I like coming in here at my home center. I like bowling on lane 80 because it's up against the wall, gives me a little room. Plus, we all know in lanes seem to evaporate a little differently. This really helps show off some of the ball's motion and ability without me having to work extra hard. So I'll just stay right here where I'm at, see if I can get up under it a little more. I'm gonna be up against the gutter. Watch. We're gonna move all the way up. Actually, let's screw it. Let's just go right in front of the gutter. That's the line I'm going to have to play with this ball with a lot of back end. Okay. Actually found the pocket from right here. It just shows you how big this ball is. What is that? 35, 40, 45. Like I'm standing, you see where I finished at. I'll have to review to see where I was at the arrows. But I know I'm marking 30 at the arrows. You know, that's me cranking on the ball too. Let's do it again. I really like this ball. See if I can see where I put it at the arrows. Oh, we was about 27 at the arrows. It's a big ball. That's a lot of ball. I'm gonna take as much out and just have every bit of forward roll I can put in this thing. You see it break off the dry? It hit the Bluetooth bumper. Let's go second arrow. My hand is flat. Like I I started like I'm throwing 10 pin and did my best to stay behind it and just flat up it. That's all right. Let's go third arrow now. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna keep my hand flat, just change the angle a little bit. I just want to cross the arrows. See, look where I'm at. My hand is broke. Usually I'm like that. Oh, I got it out a little bit. That was as flat as I could throw it, my hand. Like I had no pressure, even pressure on my fingers, and almost just pushed it out of my hand. I'm just gonna keep working my way across here. I'm about to get tight up against here, little hand in it. I'm going over fifth arrow. Fifth arrow, probably could have helped to push it out a little further. Maybe open my angle up a little bit. Because I feel like I picked up about the 10 board. I probably could have just the back end. This wouldn't be the ball I chose to throw because I'd be working myself, overworking myself at a tournament. Okay. Yeah, so for these conditions, I don't know if I throw this ball or not, honestly, in a tournament or even a league. I'm on sixth arrow. That's the 10. But you see the motion, right? Again, I mean, I had a little more finger in it, but I wasn't cranking on it to get it to flip back like that on the dry. All right, let's see if I can get the seventh arrow. I mean, I'm in line with the right gutter on this lane. I'm gonna loft over the gutter into the arrow. Still went through the nose. So that wasn't the perfect strike from every arrow, but it was a line from every arrow. All right, folks. The Black Dragon Pearl by Swag. September 8th. You can pre-order yours now, bowlersmart.com. You can go to my website, hackdodgeproshop.com. I have everything listed there for all the new Swag equipment. Like I always say, you just put it in your cart, check out like normal. There's several different ways to pay. I use a third-party vendor for all my online transactions. You can also use PayPal, Klarna, you know, all that stuff on my website. So pre-order yours today, and this ball is a good ball. Let's do it from in front of 50 again. Let's go over. I'm having a lot of fun with this. And under it. That's not going to bite. Anyway, hey, y'all stay safe, have fun, put 10 in the pit.